and welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to unbox the Dreamfarm SUPOON. For years I have been using my handy dandy KitchenAid spoon and I absolutely love it. It's a spoon made out of silicone and the tip is very flexible and the sides as well, but the handle is very sturdy. I can pick up a mound of food with this and transfer it to a dish. And unfortunately, it's showing its age. It's probably at least 20 years old by now. So I needed to replace it. So I was looking and looking and the closest I could come to my handy KitchenAid spoon is this Dreamfarm one. Now what I don't like about it is it's not as big as my KitchenAid spoon that I absolutely adore. But we're going to try it out anyway. One of the neat features is, as you can see, the handle is bent so that when you put it down, you don't need a spoon rest. It's its own spoon rest so you don't get your counter or stove dirty. Also, on the inside, if I hold it this way, maybe you can see better, you have a measuring spoon. You can have a 1 tablespoon measure, and inside of that there is a 1 teaspoon measure, so you don't have to get your teaspoons and tablespoons out to do additional measuring. The one thing that I did read on the reviews is that the handle for some people has broken in just a few uses. So I'll have to keep you updated and see how the handle survives with me. Some people don't have any problems at all, but I did read 1 or 2 reviews that it broke within 2 or 3 uses. So there you go, the Dreamfarm SUPOON. Oh, it comes in a variety of colors too. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Dreamfarm SUPOON. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.